Regina Pizza. Hey there, sir. Could I have some pizza, please? Maybe I'll grab two just slices. Let's do one of each, please. Yeah. So, got the two boxes right here. Let's see what we got here. The cheese slice looks pretty good. Let's dig in. Okay, all right. I mean, a little floppy here, but let's give it a try. Char under looks decent. Ooh, really hot. Oh. Okay. Tastes pretty good. Good cheese. Good sauce. All right. Tastes really good. I do like it a little firmer on the bottom. But overall, decent slice. Mm. Crust is really crunchy. Yeah. Crust is really crunchy. Real good. Pizza tastes really nice. If I could just have it a little crispier on the bottom, honestly, it would be perfect cheese slice. Beautiful pepperoni pizza. Nice char here. Again, a little floppier than I like it. But let's give it a taste. And a little greasy here. The cheese one wasn't as greasy. Let's try. Pepperoni is nice. Got a little spice. A bit of maybe fennel. Yeah, I don't know. Not sure if that's from the sauce or the pepperoni. But pretty good. I really like the spice on the pepperoni. I still think I prefer the cheese one. If you're in North Boston, definitely Regina Pizzeria. Especially the cheese pizza. Absolutely, go for it. Just noticed here, says it right on the box. So since 1926. So this place is literally 98 years old. They must be doing something right. Like I said, pizza is, the cheese pizza especially, delicious. Good job, Regina Pizzeria. Keep on doing this. So I always say, go and support your local institutions. These places that have been around for a while, if you're not supporting them, if you're not going there, they're just going to close down.